What exactly is spearfishing? Spearfishing is the act of eating only fruits and vegetables because animals are just too darn cute to eat. Just kidding. Spearfishing is the art of murdering fish via spear, hence the name, spearfishing. We're not a very creative bunch. Anyways, spears come in all shapes and sizes, ranging from massive tuna spears propelled by a pulley system, all the way to the sharpened piece of wood our ancestors used tens of thousands of years ago before vegans were even invented. That Neanderthal caveman didn't need much gear, but we do. A modern spearfisher generally wears super long fins, a mask, and a wetsuit. Spearfishing is the most sustainable and ethical way to catch fish. You have the ability to pick and choose exactly the fish that you want to eat. Having said that, there's no such thing as catch and release in spearfishing either. Generally, people freedive when they're spearfishing. This means that we don't have scuba tanks, and instead we hunt during short dives with one breath of air. It's also extremely healthy. Whether or not you catch fish, you'll spend tons of time exercising both your body and your mind.